Hey guys, welcome back. We're live on WAPS. So we're going to be looking into how to get started as a newbie on the WAX ecosystem. Now, first and foremost, you should have an X account, that's on Twitter account. Then you make sure you're following them on WAX. So this is the official handle, wax.io. So you can see it's an avenue where individuals or is the number one metaverse blockchain for gaming and NFTs. So they usually call Wax blockchain the king of NFTs. So it said collect digital collectibles and log into Web3 applications on the carbon neutral Wax blockchain. And it's going powered by the WAPS native token, which is WAPS. And you can join their Discord. You can see they have 280k followers currently verified and more. Now you can check here. This is one of the best places to get information about WAPs. You want to get insight, you want to see, scroll down to their timeline, see the recent posts, see activities. You can also join up on spaces. You can see they have X spaces. You can play the recording. So all their spaces are usually recorded. So if you want to know more about these Wax Wednesdays, they usually have these Wax Wednesdays every Wednesdays or on a weekly basis with varieties of innovators or builders on the ecosystem. So these are some of the best places to get info. Then you can also go over to the official website, which is one of the major ones I usually recommend. When you go over to the website, you're able to see some cool stuff. Now, one thing to note is that Wax uses these Wax NFTs or Wax cloud wallets. Now, the cloud wallet is where you can get access to or store your tokens. You can also get access to make purchases. But before that, this is the official website. It said the most proven Web3 ecosystem for gaming and NFTs. So if you're looking for a very powerful experience, you want to learn about NFTs, you want to learn about gaming, you want to get good gaming experiences, you can get the opportunity to earn WAPS tokens and also get free NFTs while you play. So these are just some cool stuffs. You can also see this get started here. You can click on this button. It's very cool too for people that are just starting to take you to the white paper where you can see lots of information. But I'm just going to brief you guys key places where I get most of the latest information. Now, aside from the main X account, you can also go over to the Twitter, to their Medium account. So this is the official Medium account where they usually post updates about recent trends and more. Here you can see they have about 13.1k followers. So this is just about 2 days ago where they did this event is currently trending. So you want to follow them, turn on notifications so you get updates there. Now, aside there, you can also see this is for WAX text momentum. So lots of updates are usually dropped here. So this is where you get current trends. Also, when you're part of the Discord, you also get access to lots of tips of current happenings in the ecosystem. So you can see you can play games, reach millions, build for masses, start building, claim your cloud wallet, and more. You got atomic art, you got inclusive GG facings and more. So these are just all available here. Now for Wax News, this will take you directly to the Medium article for white paper. You want to read the white paper, you can click here. It's going to take you directly to the white paper so you can know what the Wax initiative is all about. So this is my cloud wallet. For you to activate your cloud wallet, you need to have about 5 WAPs, and WAPs is currently listed on major exchanges. So I think I'm just going to wait for this to load up. But mind you, while that is loading up, you want to see here. So this is the official white paper. It's very lengthy. It's not as lengthy like that, but it's very interesting for you to read up. To be very good for you to understand what WAPs is all about. So this is the cloud wallet. So I'm going to wait for this to load up. So this is it, yeah. So this is the cloud wallet. Here you can learn lots of things about WAPS itself. So you can see my wallet is funded. I have about 93 WAPs. It's currently worth about $6. Let's give this about 3 years, or the next borrow, and this could be worth some more. So I'm currently looking towards holding more of these WAPS tokens, and in the future I'm just going to DCA. But here on the WAX Cloud wallet, you can get access to. You can click on these trends, these movement, these stuffs here. Give you insights about some current happenings also. You can see your NFT collections. You can go to WAX Social. and a social platform where individuals, creators, NFT creators, and collectors can get to interact. So this is it. You can check public posts and also participate here. So I think more rewards will be coming up for users soon. We have the dApps. You can see some of the dApps that are built here. There are lots of dApps that are being built on WAXP blockchains, numerous. Then also you can also get access to staking rewards. Now let's say you want to stake. We talked about these cloud wallets in our previous video, so you want to check out these. So these are just some cool places where individuals that are starting out can get access to quality information about what WAXP is all about. You can get to see some of the dApps that are built there. You can also own a wallet. You can join up on communities, which is really great. So when you click on community, then you get a quick start. You can see lots of communities. If you want to trade NFTs, you can just go over to any of the NFT marketplace that is currently listed out. One of them is this Atomic Hub. Here you can get access to purchase NFTs. So the NFTs are usually cheap. That's why they usually call them the king of NFTs. So you can get NFTs as much as less than $1. You can also get free mint. You can get lots of them. So you're going to check out the creators of these NFTs. Follow them on social media. They usually give out some NFTs. They're usually live on Twitter, on X. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Currently, I think they're currently doing some giveaways, monthly event campaign. So users who want to win some perks from Amazon, Brawlers, and TerraBody partnership, go to check this out. And cheers, guys. Peace out. Goodbye.